Cough and cold in children can be distressing for both the baby and parent. With the arrival of monsoon season, cough and cold issues are common in children of all age groups. We shared with you some of the most effective remedies for cough and cold practiced for generations. Let's have a look. Nasal saline drops or sprays can help relieve nasal congestion in young children. Dry air can worsen congestion. Use a humidifier or place a bowl of water in the room to add moisture to the air. Steam therapy in the bathroom by running a hot shower or by a steam pot in room can help melt mucus and ease out cough. For children above the age of 1, mix a teaspoon of honey with a few drops of fresh ginger juice. Ginger has antiviral properties, while honey soothes the throat. Boil a few tulsi leaves in water, add a pinch of ginger and a teaspoon of honey. Sip on throughout the day. Warm salt water gargle soothes sore throat and reduces irritation. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water for gargle. Mulethi powder helps cure sore throat, cough and excess mucus. Take a teaspoon of mulethi powder with 1 glass of warm water. A glass of warm turmeric milk before bedtime to help relieve cough and promote better sleep. Drink plenty of fluids, such as water, warm herbal teas, clear broths, or diluted fruit juices. Staying hydrated helps thin mucus and prevents dehydration. Elevate the head when your child is sleeping or resting with an extra pillow to promote better breathing and ease congestion. Offer warm liquids like soups, herbal teas, or warm water with a squeeze of lemon to soothe the throat and provide comfort. Give your child a gentle chest and back massage using warm mustard oil or coconut oil. It gives temporary relief from cough and congestion. Ensure your child gets plenty of rest to support their immune system and aid in recovery. Limit physical activity and encourage quiet play or over-the-counter cough and cold medications are not recommended for kids. Only use medications prescribed by a pediatrician. Seek medical advice if your child's symptoms persist for more than a few days, or if they develop a high fever, difficulty breathing, or other concerning symptoms. Stay happy and healthy. Do subscribe and like Health is Wealth for more updates.